Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for August 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And meron tayong promo sa tarot reading services. 20% discount sa mga private reading sa tarot. So you can book for a reading hanggang July 31. Okay, so let's see, Leo. August 2025, what is the energy? Okay, so this is the overall energy. Possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Okay, yung matagal nyo nang hinihintay ay finally darating na. Hindi nyo na kailangan wag na kayo mag-alala. Okay, it's going to happen. You have the magician, magagawan mo ng paraan whatever this is, no? This can be sa issue mo sa work, sa business, or sa relationship mo. Yung iba sa inyo, relationship. Pwedeng merong makikipag-ayos sa inyo. Can be romantic, no? Pag sinabi kasi natin relationship, hindi lang yan romantic connection. This can be your relationship with your friend, your father, mother, your sister, your brother. But some of you, this can be a romantic connection. You have the Two of Pentacles, the King of Wands. May opportunities ka for your career or other sources of income. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay may hinihintay na opportunity sa ibang bansa. Maaring ito ay parating na. Kaya lang, alam mo yung tipong hindi ka ganun kasigurado kung iti-take mo yon, kung tatanggapin mo yon. Na yes, gusto mo, pero ano yung kapalit? 'Di ba? Oo. Na kailangan mong maging malakas ang loob, kailangan mong magpakatatag. Lalo na kung pag-abroad to, kasi kung ikaw ay may mga pamilyang may iwan, medyo yan, mahirap talaga na desisyon. But eventually, makakapag-decide ka naman. Lalo na kung ang interest mo talaga is magkaroon ng stability sa yung sarili, sa yung life, sa yung career, or finances, or business mo. Kailangan din talaga may mga sacrifices na gawin. Your overall energy is temperance. This is about, maaaring focus ka sa kalusugan mo. Kumbaga taking things in moderation. Binabalanse mo lang yung iyong mga let's say pagkain mo or yung workload mo. Kumbaga tamang chill lang. And then you have the Seven of Wands as your challenge. May pwedeng may temptation sa paligid mo. Can be any type of temptation, relationship or pagkain or anything that is bawal sa'yo. Pero nilalabanan mo. Kayang-kaya mo namang labanan 'yan. With the opportunity here, you have the Knight of Swords. Meron kang opportunity na makausap yung taong gusto mong makausap. Can be someone that is very important sa'yo or taong kailangan mong makausap para sa inaasikaso mong papeles or application. And then your blessing is the Nine of Wands, which is about resolution. Kasi Nine of Wands is pag-overthink ng mga bagay na pinoproblema mo, kahit medyo stress ka na, but ito'y blessing na sa'yo. Kasi kung ano man to, magagawan mo na ng paraan, may solusyon na. Okay? Parating na yung solusyon na yan, or maaring ginagawa mo na yan ngayon. Let's see the money, career, finances for Leo. Money, career, finances for Leo. Uy, the Knight of Wands. Oops. The Three of Swords and the King of Cups. Parang may conflict. Conflict sa isang tao na nakakasama mo sa trabaho. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng ano, naalala ko tuloy yung nakita ko sa, yung kumakalat ngayon sa social media, yung sa concert ni ano, ng Coldplay. Tapos, yung isa doon, yung CEO tsaka yung HR manager, nag-date sila, pero may kanya-kanya pala silang asawa. Nakakaloka. Tapos, na-kiss cam sila. So, nakita sila sa camera. Tapos, kinall out sila ni Chris. And then, yung lead vocals nung ano, nung Coldplay. Tapos, ano, di na shy sila. Takot talaga sila. Or parang, basta nagpumigla silang dalawa. And then, sabi ni Chris is ano daw, it's either ano daw, they are having an affair or they are just very shy. But actually, they are having an affair. Okay. So anyway, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, sa workplace, meron kayong nakakaaway or parang puwede ring ano, may romantic drama diyaan sa workplace ninyo. I also see someone na ano, puwedeng meron nagkakagusto sa'yo, parang naging love life yung reading na 'to. May nagkakagusto sa'yo ta's hindi mo siya trip, hindi mo siya gusto. Some of you naman, maaring merong ano, disappointment sa trabaho. Yung tipong ginawa mo yung best mo, pero hindi nila na-appreciate yung trabaho mo. So, siyempre medyo devastating nga naman yun. Gano'n naman talaga, we can't really please everyone. But kung alam mo naman na nagawa mo yung best mo, 'di ba? Be proud of what you have done or what you have become. Yung mga na-achieve mo, be proud of that. Kasi meron at meron makaka-appreciate niyan. Or I also see someone here na ano, meron kang malapit na kaibigan, nakatrabaho mo rin, na pwedeng magre-resign or aalis na sa workplace nyo, kaya you feel bad. Sa love life, let's see. The Fool. Parang binaliktad yung reading nyo Sa love life, you have the the Fool, which is new beginning, new opportunities. The Knight of Pentacles, pwedeng you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is stability, no? So, if you're in a relationship with someone right now, I see na meron kayong mga practical plans for your future na ginagawa nyo na ng action. Kumbaga, hindi na lang siya plano. Let's say, for example, gusto nyong mag-ipon na para sa wedding ninyo or bumili na ng property. So, meron na kayong mga practical steps na ginagawa together. Yung kung kayo'y single naman, medyo mag-ingat sa ano, yung parang pabigla-biglang desisyon pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Hope is in sight or success is in view. Wow. So there's hope, there's success coming in. Maaring meron kang achievement ngayong August na you will be very proud of. And then merong new direction, may bago kang direction na tatahakin rin. Can be a new job, a new career, or a new responsibility sa trabaho. Alam nyo, people will always talk about you, Leo. Kumbaga ano, hayaan nyo silang pag-usapan kayo. Kasi very intriguing ang inyong situation or yung buhay ninyo. I feel like there is someone na gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. Specifically, a masculine energy. Na pwedeng ano, hindi niya directly masabi sa'yo. Kaya sasabihin niya sa connected sa'yo. na sabihin sa'yo. Bakit ganun? Baka may romantic interest sa'yo. Uy, your relationship is evolving. You are also healing your inner child. So, kung wala ka namang karelasyon ngayon, you are focusing on loving yourself. You are expanding my new phase, preparing for union. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo in a relationship, yun nga, nagpe-prepare na kayo for union with your person. If you're single, di ba may wedding? If you're single, you are focusing on yourself lang. Shadow work, self-appreciation. At pwede ring may pinaghahandaan kang wedding ng kaibigan mo. Maaring ikaw ay a-attend or ikaw ay abay. Victory, wow. May tagumpay. You are going to celebrate an achievement ngayong August. Kasi meron kang i-harvest. Yung mga pinaghirapan mo, trinabaho mo, in-effortan mo, it's time para ma-harvest mo na. Number 8, number 7, number 10. Yan yung mga important numbers. Energy. You have a lot of energy. Leo is about energy. So, I think yun din yung pinapalakas nyo. Pinapalakas nyo yung sarili nyo through healthy lifestyle, pag-exercise, more on movement. Okay, final message. Welcoming the unexpected, intrusive, or undesirable brings unlooked for benefits. Oh, may mga unexpected na opportunities for you. Na sa una, para siyang blessing in disguise. Sa una, hindi mo akalain na makakabuti to para sa'yo. But in the end, you will realize, buti pala nangyari yun. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.